Wow, what a welcome. So, it appears that we've all had a good day. We're all enjoying the sunshine here at Silverstone, and you've all been out on track, yeah? Good days? Good. As it's very hot in here, we're going to try to make this as succinct as possible. So if you just have a little listen to which way we're going to do the procedure, and then we will get you in and get you out and celebrate all of the champions. So, thank you very much for coming. We are about to start the awards ceremony, and I am going to introduce you to our host for this evening. If you can give him such a warm welcome as you gave me, I'd like to introduce Terry Spall, who's the Vice President of the Institution of Mechanical Engineers, and also the Commercial Director for MIRA.
Okay, well, good evening. Apologies for the slight delay. We did have to go through the results to make sure it's absolutely correct. Just before I start, you all know Fiona. I guess you all know that she's actually the staff member responsible for Formula Student, so she actually makes all this happen. So I think we should just show our appreciation for Fiona for all she's done this year. Fantastic result. Also, whilst you've still got your hands in the sort of clapping position, can we just show our appreciation for the partners and sponsors this year? Because, as you all know, without their support, this would not happen. So please show appreciation for our sponsors and partners. And I'm not quite sure who we should thank for the weather. Maybe that's Fiona as well, I'm not sure. But this is the only Formula Student I can remember that's actually been sunny every day, so it's quite an achievement. Okay, this is actually part one of our prizes and awards ceremony. We'll do part two tomorrow. Today we culminate in the overall Class 2 winner. So we're going to get started. Just before we get started, let me explain the process for you. I will introduce the award and say who is actually going to present the award. I'll invite the person onto the stage who's going to make the presentation of the trophy or whatever it is. Somebody ringing away there. I'll tell you a little bit about the award. We'll make the presentation. Then the winning team, if you could come up to the stage, you can either send representatives or if you prefer, you can send the whole team. Whichever you prefer. We've got a big stage, so I'm sure you'll all fit on. We'll take a photograph of the award being handed over. And then I'll just ask you to move off the stage right, and you'll be taken just to the back room there, where we've got it all set out for some team photographs, okay? So we want to move it fairly quickly. We've actually got 13 awards to make, so I'm going to go straight in with the first award. And this award is sponsored by Jaguar Land Rover, and it's for the best use of virtual methods to achieve vehicle dynamics targets and Formula Student event performance. The award is going to be presented by Simon Griffiths, who's the Senior Manager of Chassis Programs in Jaguar Land Rover. So I'd like to invite Simon to come and join me on the stage. So as well as an award, there's also, very kindly from JLR, there are some T-shirts, caps, and also the winning team will have the opportunity to visit the JLR facilities at a date that's convenient for them. It could be this year, it could be during next year's Formula Student, so you'll be able to get to see what JLR actually do. So the award this year, and it was awarded really for very comprehensive use of validated simulation techniques to drive the development of many, many aspects of the car, and the award goes to Car 8 from Ostia. It's UAS Graz. Congratulations. Yes, you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long. Okay, moving right on. The second award is also sponsored by Jaguar Land Rover, so Simon's going to present this one as well. This is for innovation in propulsion systems. The award this time picked up on the fact that it was awarded for innovation in motor technology, torque vectoring control, and also energy recuperation. And the award goes to, from Switzerland, Car 33. ETH Zurich. Moving on then to the next award. In fact, the next two awards have both been sponsored by Mercedes-AMG High Performance Powertrains. And I'm very pleased to invite to the stage Paul Crofts, who's the Head of Materials Engineering in Mercedes. Okay, so we've got two Powertrain awards. The first one is Class 1 Best Powertrain Installation of an IC Engine. And the winning team is Car 16, University of Hearts.
I feel so high, I go alive. I need to be free with you tonight.
Okay, and I'm moving right on then to the next Powertrain award. This is actually for the best high voltage powertrain implementation. A comment back from the judges was that they were particularly impressed with the home designed electric motors, which gives you a bit of a clue, I guess, and how they have been integrated in the car. So a great piece of work that was done by Switzerland, Car 33, ETH Zurich. Are both sponsored by National Instruments. I'd like to invite to stage Hannah Wade, who's the Academic Field Engineer for National Instruments. Okay, Hannah. Yeah, good to see you.
Thanks.
So the first award is for measurement and control. But it's not just measurement control, it's measurement and control UK and Ireland. And then the second award is measurement and control international. So first of all, UK and Ireland. The judges fed back comments that they were very impressed with the professional approach and the way it's integrated into their overall team strategy. And the winning team is Car 16, University of Hearts. Okay, and the international award, the feedback from the judges was that they were very impressed with the adaptive suspension system on this car, and also all of the custom electronics work for data acquisition. So the measurement and control award for international goes to Car 17 from Norway, the Norwegian University of Science and Technology. The next award is very kindly sponsored by Shell, and I'd like to invite Mark Wakeham, who's the project leader for engine oil development for Ferrari, to the stage. So this is the Engineering Excellence Award, and well, what can I say? They've been to the stage once already. The award goes to ETH Zurich, Car 33. So moving right on, the next award is sponsored by Race Car Engineering. I'd like to invite Sam Collins, who you probably recognise as our ace commentator from today. He's also the Deputy Editor of Race Car Engineering. And the award is for the best Class 1 business presentation. And the award goes to a team from Spain. Car 48, the University of Basque Country.
We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All alone, we are calling out now again. Never looking down, I'm just an aura of what's in front of me. Is it right now to be more, come on?
The next award is one of a series of awards that's actually sponsored by the Institution of Mechanical Engineers. I'm going to invite Richard Hale to make the presentation. Richard, as you may know, is the Chief Cost Judge, but he's also Cost Business Analyst for Ford Motor Company.
Oh, nice to meet you.
So this award is for the best Class 1 cost and sustainability analysis. And the winning team is from the UK. It's Car 15, University of Strathclyde. So the next award is the best cost analysis in Class 2. This is also sponsored by the Institute of Mechanical Engineers. And I'd like to invite Darren Cashman, who you may know again is our Deputy Chief Cost Judge. And for his day job, Darren is the Forward Model Coordinator for Ford Motor Company. I'm not sure if this team are here. We have tried to contact them. They may be, but we'll soon find out in a minute anyway. It's from Florence, actually, in Italy, University degli Studi di Firenze. Okay, the next award is for the best business presentation in Class 2, again sponsored by the Institution of Mechanical Engineers. And I'd like to invite Craig Powers, who is our Chief Business Presentation Judge. And for his day job, Craig is also the power plant specialist in generation and control optimization.
Thank you very much. All the slides are done. All the slides and young people being announced.
Okay, and the winner is from the UK, and it's the University of Bath. Okay, two more to go. The next award is for the overall design event winner in Class 2. Again, sponsored by the Institution of Mechanical Engineers. I'd like to invite Alex Hickson, who's our Deputy Design Judge, to join me. He's also Technology Manager for GKN Aerospace. And the winner is, from the UK, Imperial College.
Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Has someone taken your faith? It's real.
Okay, and the final award for tonight, which is the Class 2 overall winner. I'm going to invite Richard Folkeson, who is our Chief Judge for Formula Student. So, Richard, come join me. Okay, here we go. The overall Class 2 winner for Formula Student 2013 is from the UK. Sorry. It's Imperial College. Well done. Okay, well, look, thank you very much for coming along this evening. We've got part 2 of the award ceremony tomorrow. That's going to start at 7:30. So I think between now and then, there's a bit of Formula Student work to do, but even before that, there's probably time for a few beers and perhaps a barbecue. So thanks very much for coming along.